Hi there friends, it's Danny here from Danny's Dreams, stopping by again with another quick card share. Today I have a card I made for the Sweet and Sassy VIP group on Facebook. They have a new challenge up, which was to make a shaped card, like a slimline or a square card or a circle card. So I just recently got some new Sweet and Sassy stamps, so I was super excited to join in the fun. I used this In This Together stamp set. I absolutely love this. It has so many neat sentiments that are perfect for what's going on in the world right now. I used this stamp here and the sentiment, "It's going to be okay." I used some old basic gray. Man, do I miss that company. I think that was probably my favorite pattern paper company. I used Piccadilly. Thought that was such a fun name too. Also used my Marvy jewel picker tool. I got this in a Simon Says stamp kit, and I absolutely love it. Such a little thing, but man, do I really love it. And on to my card. So here's the finished card. I went with a square card. I had already put the dies away that I used, but it's a set from Newton's Nook. I can't think of the name of it offhand, so I will link it before. I should have been more prepared, but I wasn't. So everything, all the layers are all from that set of dies, even the circle, which makes making a card so easy because it's all just right there. I colored the image with Copics, and then I don't know if the camera will pick it up. I went over the little cup there with some of the Spectrum Noir sparkle pen, so it's really sparkly. And I added those jewels there, the rhinestones in there. At first I was kind of leery about the colors because I always, not always, almost always color my images and then I pick out my papers. That way it makes me stretch my creativity a little bit. So I was like, does it work? But the more that I look at it, I really like how it turned out. So there's my card for today, and I will link everything below. You can always check out my blog for more photos and information as well. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. If you like what you see, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And for you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Until my next video, have a great day, everyone.